Hey, what's up everybody? This is Jeff, and this is going to be a quick video. I just got back in town yesterday, and I went to the gym, you know what I mean, did my thing, and then I'm talking with my son who's on leave from the United States Air Force. He's staying with me right now. And he tried to use one of my units. And as soon as he hit it, he started hacking like crazy. He said, I can't do this. That's going to mess with the autofocus. So I wanted to make a quick video on how to properly inhale vapor. With the new units that they have, the vapor created is really thick. And it can tickle your tonsils and stuff like that and make you cough. It's not like smoking. And remember, when you first tried to smoke a cigarette, you coughed the first time and you had to learn how to inhale it. You have to inhale a little bit differently with vapor as opposed to smoke. So this little technique will make a difference if you're having a problem with coughing after and while you're vaping. I still get a cough now and then, like a, you know what I mean, but not while I'm actually, if you notice in my videos, while I'm talking or on my other channels, I won't even be vaping, and I'll get it. That's just the little VG or irritation that I get over time. But it's pretty simple. A lot of people, when they do it, they first do it, they want to hit it like a cigarette, and they don't realize they're hitting a button. You know what I mean? So you're hitting a button, and they keep hitting the button, and they inhale all of it and exhale all of it. And I'll show you what's wrong with the way some people are hitting it at first. Sorry about the autofocus. Okay. You notice what I did is I actually kept inhaling after the hit. That's what you want to do. Then you'll stop coughing. It's something you actually have to think about at first. And the reason, when I started vaping again, I was coughing. And I was like, what am I doing wrong? And then I like tried a couple different, and here's what it is. It's that simple. You just inhale a little bit of air after you're hit, and then you don't cough. If you keep inhaling, or you stop inhaling with all the vapor in there, it tickles your throat and you cough. And then once you get used to it, it's not a big deal. Alright, so I hope that helps out anybody that is having a coughing issue when they hit a drag off of their unit. The units are a lot stronger than what they were back when I vaped and did videos. So you're going to have that issue now more as opposed to before, because they were a lot airier vapes. Also, another little cool thing I got is this cell phone strap for my Segully, and it's perfect for my Segully, okay, to go on my belt. Let me take off. It just worked out so good. I saw it and I said, it looks about the right size. Well, if you take off the protective thing on the Segully, the magnet closes perfectly, and the tank screws in perfectly too. So yeah, and then here, I got it the wrong way. I'm gonna take it out right now and show you. If you turn it this way so that the tank is this way, okay, you can still hit the button while it's there, and but see, it's not on yet. Hold up, let me turn it on, because I haven't used it today. I've been using the small unit. Let it sit for a second. and you could use it right in the cell phone case. I got this, because I travel a lot, but you could just strap it right on your belt. Okay, hope that video helps out anybody that's having an issue with coughing, because, vaping should be easy.